Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So winter is now upon us, and if you're going to be out there snowboarding or skiing or hiking outdoors out there in the cold and you're a little bit afraid of being cold, I got a great solution for you. You can use hand warmers. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase a bag of these hand warmers, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, let me open this up here and show you what this bag looks like. And all you're going to do is expose this to air. You're just going to shake it around. And this gets pretty hot. It says here in the back of the bag, and we're going to measure this, that it can get up to about 135 degrees Fahrenheit, and they recommend that you not keep it against your skin for too long. If you're wondering what's in there, it's a mixture of iron, powder, water, I think that's pronounced vermiculite, charcoal, polymer, and salt. That interaction between oxygen, and this is a porous bag, so as the oxygen goes through, it creates a chemical reaction and it heats up. So I'm going to shake that around a while. I'm going to go for 15, maybe 20 minutes and see how hot the hot hands can go. Alright, as we're waiting for that to heat up, let's have a look on the bag here. So you get 10 hours of heat off of a pair. And again, I just want to highlight here some of the do not uses on here, uses. So there it is, on the same place for an extended period of time, or directly on skin other than the palm of your hands. Now what's weird though, I've seen them with their toe warmers and their foot warmers. The foot warmer just is for the entire length of your foot. And it looks like there's direct contact. So I don't know, maybe that pad has a little bit different contact area. And I've also seen their body warmers as well. They might have something a little bit different to cushion it from your skin. But if you only have these in a pinch, what I recommend doing is getting some of this Leuko tape here. And this is not medical tape. This is better than medical tape for the uses that I use it for. It's softer and it sticks a lot longer. This is a well-kept secret for long distance hikers for their blisters and things like that. But you can take these, maybe strap it to the bottom of your feet, and just be a little bit careful because again, these can get to an excess of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, let's give it a measure. All right, so that's been sitting there for about 5 minutes. Let's see what we get. Was it about 112, 113 degrees? I'd say maybe 113, 112 degrees. Now, they do recommend that you let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and it might get a little bit hotter, but, I mean, that's pretty good. That'll keep it nice and toasty. Just a quick word on this 135 degrees Fahrenheit average temperature. The higher you go, the less efficient this is going to be, so the less heat it's going to produce. One other key component on the packaging is the expiration date, so these can stay in storage for just about 4 years. Alright, it's been well over 10 hours, probably more like 12 or 13 hours, and we're still getting, what, 94 degrees? So it's still got decent warmth after all the time. Here, let's open this up and see how this reacts, because I can feel it clumping in there. Let's just cut open this top here. And yeah, it kind of looks like coffee grinds. You can see how it's kind of just all clustered together in there. Here's a better look at the ingredients in the package after they've been activated. Now, when you first get the pods and shake it around, it just basically feels like sand or silicone and they're rattling around. But I guess when they're exposed to oxygen, they come together like that. So if you're headed outdoors this winter and you want to make sure you stay nice and warm and toasty, get some of these hand warmers. Remember, they also make them for your feet as well as your body. Well, alright guys, that's the ending of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you want to purchase these, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.